Hello guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can mine Crystal Kami. A lot of us have this Crystal Kami app on our we have it and we don't know how to go about it. So if you are not mining Crystal Kami already, all you need to do is to just tap the link I'll give you. All you need to do is you copy the link, go to your Telegram, send it as a message to anybody, then tap the link. That's the easiest way you can access the app. So there are major things you need to understand in this Crystal Kami game, right? You are mining now. What you are mining is you are mining this thing. You are mining this. These are the crystal you are mining. Then at the end of the day, you will. This is the average or aggregate crystal you are earning. You understand? And then this is how many crystal you are mining per hour, as you can see written here. 1.3 million crystal per hour. That's the rate at which me I am mining. Okay, so now this thing is going to give you money, right? But what is going to give you money is at the end of the day how many crystal you have as the aggregate crystal that you have. It is not this one that will determine the money you are earning. So you should know this for free, that this is what you are aiming at. Okay, so there are many things that constitute you making this grow and making it for you to later have money from it. Now you are not making money from it. All you are doing is to just keep increasing this until when you have so much, so that when it is being distributed as money, you will have enough. You can have this plenty, right? That is the crystal. You can have this many. You can have millions. Sorry, excuse me. You can have millions of it. But if you don't have this, then all what you have done is a waste. Now, a lot of you want to know exactly how to go about this. How to go about it? First of all, here is what you tap this place. When you tap there, you are going to be seeing these options. There are two different games. I'm not going to be showing you this. These are games. These are something you can do on your own. This one is crystal and this one is basketball. The crystal, a crystal will be rolling. As it's rolling, you'll be pressing. You tap your screen to hit all the fruits in this crystal. Okay, that is how you play that game. Then for the second one, this one is a basketball. How many times you play the basketball as it's enter, it determined how you win. So this thing, right? This thing must be smiling, right? This thing here must be smiling. So if you have not played this game to reach 100%, it will not smile. And when it is not smile, also if this one you not play to reach 100%, and this thing will not be smiling. Okay, if it is not smiling, then here is what will happen. If it is not smiling, here's what will happen. You will see it here that this place is looking, that this place is not happy. And when it is not smiling, then the crystal you are mining per hour will not be working. You understand? The crystal you are mining per hour will not be showing. You understand? So you have to play that game. It is compulsory for you to play the game so that you can be able to increase the number you're mining. The number you're mining per hour is when you exit the app, when you are no longer on this app, the ratio at which you are mining this crystal will be mining. That is what will be happening when you are not around. Now here there is a snake game, right? There's a snake game. All you need to do is you play the snake. As you are playing the snake, when you finish playing all the snake, you pack the what you have eaten to inside one bubble. Once you enter the bubble, you will get more crystal. This crystal will be increased. So now what happens when you get the crystal? This is what happens. You use the crystal to come here, this place here that I'm cycling. When you come there, what you are going to do is when you tap the place now, when you tap it, all these things are going to be opening. So all you need to do is you should buy everything that you are seeing here. Anything that is available for you to buy, keep buying it. As you keep buying it, your stage will be moving. So you can see here I'm in stage 5. So if you are starting at first, you'll just be at stage 1. So you must keep buying all these things with what you are earning from the crystal. So all here, you come here. So mine is not showing purple very well. It's showing faded purple. It is because I don't have up to 27 37.3 million crystal here. When this reaches 37.3 million crystal, I'll come and buy this. So once you buy it, it is going to help you increase the number of crystal you're mining per hour, which is what you are seeing here. It will increase it by 76,000 per hour. So 76,000 per hour will be added to this. So that is how the number of what I'm mining per hour will increase. And as you keep doing this, you keep activating all this, then this your stage here will grow. This your stage will be moving. So you can see 30 out of 60. When you do that, your stage will be growing. So that is it. So another thing is here, this place here, if you come there, you every day you are given 3 chance to claim something. And what you claim is this place. This thing is going to full 3 times. You're going to give you a opportunity to fill it up. Then what else again? Here you can, if you tap here, there are some tax that you'll be given, and you will claim free crystal. Like me here, this stack, some of them is on X, which is Twitter. You, if you tap go to now, you go and do the tax. When you come back, you win 5,000 crystal. I don't want to do it because I don't want to exit here. And then this other side, at the down here, is total number of people you have invited. This place here, total number of people you have invited. So you can see I've invited over 485 persons already, and many of them are playing the crystal very well. As a result, I have earned 24.4 million naira from the first person, 4.4 million naira for the second person, and so on and so forth. You understand? So the more people you invite, the more you also earn more crystal. So at the end of the day, what you now do is you tap your screen. As you are tapping your screen, it will be counting the number of crystal you are earning, and then at the end of the day you can use that to also make your purchase. So that is as simple as it is when you are playing this crystal kami game. So I don't want this video to be long, so bye.